Hi guys, this is the Canadian Roadrunner. My truck broke down. I have one battery here. Hi guys, my truck broke down. I got two batteries here. I believe they both are bad batteries, so I took out one from the engine part, and the other one is it's right here. Right here. So I'm going to a store called Canadian Tire and get the batteries and get ready my truck for tomorrow. So yeah, this is the update. Today is January 4th, um, 2021, Monday. Time is about 5 p.m. Thank you very much. Bye. Okay guys, as you can see, because of the COVID, there's a lineup for the pickup, which is called curbside. Means that you cannot go inside the store, and then you have to wait for your turn, and then everything has to be go over the phone. So I already called the store to pick up my batteries, and then I have to wait for my turn, and then they will either bring it out the battery, or I have to go inside the store, as long they allow me. So this is the situation here in Mississauga city of Canada. Like, we are not allowed to go inside the store because of the current COVID, for the safety. Keep posted. Thanks a lot. Okay guys, I came back again and find out one of the batteries is no good, so we are going to replace it. It's getting dark here, so that's I bought a new battery, which is this, and then this is the old one, and then one more thing. We did a battery test, so what they find out, the one battery is good and the other one is no good. So I'm going to record that as well. So this one has measured 63 CCA, which is no good, out of 800, and the other one is good battery, voltage 12.9, measured 789 crank 60A out of 800. So this is a good one, which is this one. So I'm gonna keep this one, and then I'm gonna install this one for the replacement for the bad battery. And I'm going to install this battery, which is a good one, used one, right here. This is tools I got, and then yep. Oh. Stand up. This is a light, and then let's see. Okay. It's hard to hold the camera and the battery same time, so I'm gonna put my camera down. So the battery is in, and all I do, I just screw it and then tie this up, and then I have one more to go in the inside. Okay, let's start this up. This one needs the other one, I believe. Other side. Yeah, pretty tight now. Oh, this one is also. Let's see if it starts with single battery. Alright, sure is on. Alright. No, it's not gonna start with single battery for sure. So I came again, so I attach a light to my bonnet, and then this is the new battery here, right here. So I'm gonna put this one. Actually, I have to remove these covers first. So one is removed, and then the other one. These one I have to move it first. Right, and then I'm gonna screw it. So I'm gonna do a little tight up to make sure there's no loose screws. This is the way you're saving your money for the mechanic and plus the time as well. Too cold out there. Last one. Okay, let's see if it starts up. Okay ji, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad. Good. Start up. So this battery is good here, right? And then this battery is good here. And I'm good to go for tomorrow morning for my work. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.